What's up, everyone? Welcome back to What to Open Next. I'm your host, John Parker, and in this awesome video, we have here a Skeledirge. I know I was going to say that wrong. Skeledirge EX 10. A Skeledirge EX 10. Yes. Alrighty. Then, so inside, you get the one foil promo card of the Skeledirge, and then you get 5 Pokemon TCG booster packs. So I wonder which ones it'll be, along with the code card. Alrighty, the code card. Let's get it open. Let's go. Oh, there we go. Now I got it. How is everyone? How are you today? Oh my goodness. There we go. How is everyone doing? I am doing awesome. I appreciate you guys being here. Yes, I do. So there's Skeledirge EX. And then I guess there it is. There's the code card. Alright, so now we're going to have Obsidian Flames. Scarlet and Violet. Silver Tempest. Astral Radiance, and then that is it. So yes, it was definitely a randomized section, which is kind of nice actually. So we'll do that. How about we do that? All right. So now we'll play Pick Your Pack, Pack Your Pick. Let's play. I'm gonna go with the Silver Tempest. What about you guys? Put in the comment section. Pack number 1, pack number 2, pack number 3, pack number 4, pack number 5. And here we go. Put it in the comment section, and we are going. Oh my goodness. My fingers are slippery sometimes. Yeah. Alrighty. Come on now. Get out of there. We got ourselves a Wiglet at the front there. Can we see? Boom. There we go. Alright, so Fist Bump. Our dark. Oh, it's Steel. We're close. So there's our Wiglet. Squavit. Palpitoad. Zigzagoon. Brachius. Magnezone. Crabominable, Camerupt, a Pidgey, and a Scizor. Alrighty, so pack number 1 was good. Let's see if these ones are better. Every pack is a good pack. Some are better than others. Hey, look, I got it. Alright, here's our code cards. Scarlet and Violet. Oh. Fist Bump. Lightning. Whoa. Oh, it's Steel again? Steel. Oh my goodness. Zangoose. Krogunk. Dedenne. Kirlia. Wugtrio. Judge. Floatzel, Potion, Scovillion, and a Cyclizar. What? Alrighty. Alright, Silver Tempest. This is the one I picked. What about you guys? Which ones did you pick? What did you pick? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fist Bump or Psychic. Ooh, oh, it's Fist Bump. Yeah. Fist Bump. Alrighty. Here we go. This one's a Paldea Evolved. Alright, let's see if we get something good. Let's see. We got a Sigilyph. We got a Gym Trainer. Kirlia. Petalil. Chinchou, Pharaoh Seed, Pikachu, Ponyta, Armaldo. Oh, yes. Yes! That's what we're looking for. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes. There we go. Lugia V. Yes. Yeah. Astral Radiance. Who picked pack number 4? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4. How about grass? Fist bump or grass? Oh, it is grass. It's grass. Usually grass tricks us. Yeah. Paldea for that one too. Oh, alright. Let's see what we're going to get. Got some Kirlia. Wait and See Turbo. Sheldon. Mentine. Scyther. Hisuian Basculin. Hisuian Voltorb. Glameow. Switch Cart. And a Regirock. Regirock. Last pack of the video. And I appreciate you being here. I thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. Yes, I do. Without you, we wouldn't be here. Fist bump or fire. How about fire? Oh, it's water. Water. Alrighty. Got Houndour. Tadbulb. Stinny. Paldean Whooper. Whoop. Houndoom. There we go. Evolve. Brassius. And then I got Magnezone. Got a Vulpix. Vulpix. And Shuckle. Alright, last card. What is it? What's it gonna be? A Gita. We got a Gita. Alrighty, guys. So there we go. Lugia V is the winner with the Silver Tempest pack number 3. Whoop. Well, I do appreciate you guys being here. I can't thank you enough, but I try to because I thank you, and I thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much for everything, for helping the channel get monetized, for hitting the like buttons on videos, for commenting on videos, for hitting that subscribe button. Definitely, if you haven't done so yet, smack that subscribe button, and then hit the notification bell only if you want to be notified every time a new video hits the channel, or even when I go live. Live is coming. I've done a few, and we're just going to get better. This channel is going to grow, upgrade, and get better. Help answer this awesome question, what's open next? Stay tuned for more pack openings, more entertaining videos, and I love you guys. I will see you on the next one.